It's been a while. Hello, happy new year, happy 2022. I haven't posted in a long time. Um and that is because nearer towards the end of last year, obviously I got married and then moved in, new house, all that stuff, and then I actually got hit with COVID, and during that time it was Christmas time, so I said to myself I'm going to start churning out more videos because I know everyone's going to want to start buying candles, make more candles, or maybe start selling candles, particularly over the Christmas period into the new year. And then the Rona got me, guys. I was just so out of it for about a good month, and I am just getting up and running just now, mid-January. So yeah, here I am. Channel has grown to 1,000 subscribers. Like, wow, thank you so much to each and every single one of you that have subscribed, watched any of my videos, or even left a comment, and then you've come and found me somehow on Facebook or Instagram. Again, it was so nice for me to see when I was just bedbound the entire time. So I just wanted to come back on here just to say hi, and say hello to all the new subscribers, and also I just wanted to kind of pass on a message to anyone who is thinking about starting a candle business, or even not just as a business, like even if you just want to try it out or just do it as a hobby, which is what I do. I love making candles. I mean, it's great when I sell them, but it's kind of like my muse, it's kind of like my therapy. So it can be a hobby as well. Like, don't think if you start to make candles and you're not making £100 in sales every week, that is really no point, because if you enjoy making them, don't worry about the money. Like, it's a nice hobby to have. So if you're thinking about doing it, just do it. And one mistake that I did was that I did a lot of research before I did it, instead of just buying all the equipment I needed and just doing it. Research is good, obviously, with what kind of equipment you need, what kind of wax you need, but when you start looking into things like the legalities of opening up a candle business, online business, it can seem quite daunting. But if you're just doing it for family and friends and just gifts, then I'd say just do it. And if you are too worried about what other people would think, because I realized that that's one of the downfalls that I had last year, was that I was comparing myself too much to other people, and it was like, oh, my products are never going to look as good as them, or I was trying to take photos and it wasn't coming out how other people's were looking. And because I spent so much time comparing myself to other people's candles and businesses, it held me back a lot. And one more thing as well, like with this upcoming year and obviously the rise of social media, it can be a good, it can be a bad thing also, but one of the good things about it is that it gains you a lot of traction and it gains you a lot of eyes as well. So particularly when you're making content, just do what makes you happy. If it looks good to you, just put it out there, because something that isn't squeaky clean is much better than not posting out anything for like 3 weeks. And also, I don't, if you guys haven't seen my other bubble candle video, you will know that with these candles, I put them off making them for so long because I saw that everyone else was doing them, and I was just like, do you know what, I'm just gonna wake up and I'm gonna make bubble candles today. So if you like something, like if you see something and you're like, oh, that's kind of cute, like I want to do it, then just do it. Don't worry about if you're worried that other people might see that you're copying this person, that or that person, because I guarantee a lot of these candle silhouettes, they have seen it from someone else's page and then they decided to do it themselves. So that is my motto for 2022. It's not to compare myself to other candle brands or anyone for that matter, and just do what makes me happy. So I said I was gonna make this quick. So if you're thinking about starting a candle business or even just starting making candles as a hobby, this is your sign to just do it. Okay guys, let me know what kind of videos you want to see. I am still making candles on the side, just you know, just for fun. I don't really make them to sell as I used to before, but I will hopefully get back on track. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see on this channel, or if you have any queries, then let me know. Obviously follow me, and I am getting back to all my messages over the Christmas periods. There was a lot of you guys, please bear with me.